I've got the new F44. We'll just do an unboxing of it. It's the packaging it comes in. Opened it yet, I've checked it out. Of course, we've got it upside down. That's how it comes. If you can see that or not. The S handle, which is for the ergonomics. Nicely packaged. See that? That is the control box. Nice, tight, compact, and white, which is the important thing. F44 control box. Each of the F1s have a different number here. And that's the new innovation with the speaker. The F shape with the speaker grill behind it. This is weatherproof. Can't take it under water, but it can rain or you can have snow and we're right with it. The instruction manual. Can't get that online yet, but it's coming. Let's have a new innovation with the F44. Teardrop coils. Better showing you that way. It's teardrop shape. It's a new innovation from Fisher, so we'll give this a test the next few days and see how she works. What's it here? Alright. Before I actually put it together, I don't know if you can see that, can you? Alright. This is the lower shaft that comes with the machine. This shaft here is called the tall man shaft. As you can see by the length of it, it's a couple inches longer. People like me who are 6 foot tall and don't want to be tapping our feet with the coils, these are a good idea. Plus, if you're short, it'll give you more chance of wearing a steel cap. So I shall put it together. Of course, if you haven't put one of these together before, you should probably read an instruction book. And with this tall one, this is an optional extra. And at the time of ordering, if you let me know, I can get you one of these, you'll get 2 then. And the other handy thing about 2, which you'll see on one of my F75 videos, is you can actually have 2 coils ready to go without having to rewire them. Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head screws. Metal screws, not cheap plastic pieces of crap that are going to snap as soon as you put them on. I've used 2 gram detectors with plastic screws that break after a month. Fisher don't make crap. Decent sized screw too. See the screw? Get this without dropping it on myself. So it's nice and light. Of course, if you never put a detector together before, it is all in the instruction book. I've been your typical Australian male, I don't tend to read the instruction books. I've been putting machines together for years now. Having said that, you watch, I'll probably get something back to front in a minute. Some brands will not put cam locks on their machines, others will. Absolute must-have item. Quite simple, loosen the cam lock up. So I'll use the shorter lower shaft this time. Same deal. Depress, push in, spin around, being 12, I'm going to have that right down the bottom. Alright, pause it. Now we've got that one on. Now this time I am going to read the manual. One thing that caught me out with the F45, as opposed to the Mind Webs and the Garretts that I've used in the past, is I found that instruction after I put the machine together. That one there says insert washers into, well, a stem. The F75 you do not do that with. So that's how I'm going to read it. Pop straight in. All plastic and all rubber. So the heaviest thing on here is the coil, and it's not that heavy. Now Velcro coil wide tabs all the way up it. Just take care of these. These are the only plastic screw you're going to get on a detector. Don't over tighten is the key to it. Now I know if I've got to tighten it. See if I can gently touch it with my shoe. See, that's not moving. It's not going to flop. So that's tight enough. I always go over. So if we go under, manuals tell you one way or the other. Easiest way to do this. Like braiding here, eating spaghetti. Back there. You have 5 females, and it fits just like rocket science. Got the collar. Get the collar on there. She's near weatherproof, just a bit. Especially in Tassie, but it's no different up on the mainland. You don't want to catch these coil wires on any of the brush and the trees and down near the button grass and the spin effects. Let's put one at the top, tie it up. One closer to the ground, where I'm most likely going to catch things. Fisher don't skimp on the little things they put into these machines. So you don't get the Velcro tabs or the cam locks of every brand, but you do with Fisher. Nice thing to put together. Arm straps are an optional extra. I don't know anyone that still uses them, to be honest. I don't use them. When I've had them on my machines, I just use them as an armrest and end up damaging them, so I don't put them on. When I'm out detecting, I put the machine down on the ground. I don't leave it attached to my arm while I try and dig a hole. It's a lot easier to put it down on one side. Let me show you that. It's got a nut on one side and a nice long bolt. Metal again. It's glued on, so that doesn't want to come off. Get it the right way around, or I'm going to look like a real goose. Once again, I'm going to stick it at the back, because I am tall. And I'm going to get the nut stuck in the right. that on there. Your nut on the back of it. It's a bit tricky because the camera's only got a slight angle. Do that up, and unless your arm gets shorter, you're never going to undo it. Get back in the end. And that. I don't know if you can see all that, but that's the F44 all complete. Turn it on, don't even know if it's got batteries in it yet, but show the battery compartment, can you see that? Because I haven't read it yet. There we go. Pull that up. The utmost of care. Pull that out. 2 AA batteries available from any service station, convenience store, or just about anywhere you stop. Choice batteries, and looks unlike the camera, which doesn't have to be in the right spot. Hopefully you saw that. Can't get it the wrong way around. If anyone's good, it'd be me. Back in, back down. She's talking to us, I'll just turn it off while I play with the girl's apparatus. Get this in. There we go. Turn it on. I believe that's the serial number that's coming up across there. The batteries are nearly flat. She's picking up all the Wi-Fi in here. But I'll make another video and I'll show you how this thing works outside.